Once upon a time, in a quiet valley, lived a baby dragon named Puffy. But Puffy had a problem. He kept sneezing fire. Every time he sneezed, achoo, trees got toasted, birds flew away, and everyone ran in fear. Puffy felt sad. I didn't mean to scare them. I just can't stop sneezing. One cold night, a group of travelers got lost in a dark, freezing cave. They had no light and no way out. Suddenly, Puffy flew in, sniffed the cold air, and achoo! His fire lit up the whole cave. The travelers found the path and escaped safely. From that day on, everyone called Puffy a hero. The little dragon with a powerful sneeze. Morale. Sometimes the thing that makes you different is your greatest gift.